Hey everybody, it's your mid-December check-in for Photography 101. How's your tell a story assignment going? At this point in the month, you should have figured out your story and have a general idea of how you're going to tell it. Spend the next week or two, preferably week, because for most of the world, holidays are coming up in a couple of, not too long. But try to get this out as quickly as possible and tell a story, a cohesive story with your 35 to 36 shots. So when you finish your story, if you decide to share it on Instagram, please use the hashtag P101WDH, which is Photography 101 with David Hancock, and give me an @ that will help me follow along with your work. If you can't or don't use Instagram, feel free to share a link to your portfolio in the comments section for this video. Once you do that, you'll be almost done. I'll see you again in just a handful of days with one last task for you to do for this course. See you then.